Hey everybody, today we have Sergeant Ruck with a Ruck Rampage. Now supposedly this works with any Ruck figure which from Alpha Team 1, but I don't know. I just grabbed the Ruck figure to go with it because it says Ruck on there, so you would think it goes with Ruck, but it literally says Ruck figure sold separately, so it does go with Ruck, but it also then says that they go with any figure. So I don't know what they mean. I think basically they go with a certain figure, but you can interchange them. I think that's what they all mean. Anyway, this one is Exo Rampage. This battle-ready exoskeleton turns Ruck into a one-man wrecking crew capable of maximum carnage. That would be, I think, this big old thing right here, the main dealio. Pulverizer as Exo arms can level buildings. That would be these Exo arms. That would be Trekker, exo legs capable of leaping 3 stories. That'd be these, plus legs. Slinger, a sand platform equipped with deadly missiles. I guess that would be these different missiles that you see around them. Slinger, arms varies, fires 4,000 rounds per minute. That would be these things that fit on his arms, I guess. RX-7 ion cell, the next generation fuel cell to provide powers the unit. So that or something. Here's Ruck. I've already looked at Ruck, so let's put this mech suit on the guy. First up, we got legs. So let's put these legs on. We got that. Got these arms. Again, I don't think these legs won't fit very good. Like I said, with all the other figures said, you're going to have to glue these if you want them to stay put. There is no other way but to say that you're going to have to glue all these figures. If you want them to actually stay on, you're definitely going to have to glue them. There's literally no other way to say it. You're going to have to glue. You're just going to have to. So it wants you to put these. Oh, okay. It wants you to put these arm things in there, and supposedly his hands are supposed to hold them. That really works. It just expects this to stay on. Oh, okay. This is supposed to hook onto this. I see. Look, I'm learning just as much as you're learning when I'm doing it. These are first figures of bought of these, so I'm figuring it out along with you. I still recommend, even if you can get all the pieces to do right, which they don't want to, they really don't. They definitely do not want to do right. Even if you can get all the pieces to do right, which they don't want to do, I highly recommend you highly recommend. See, these can go in all kinds of different places. That's why I'm saying I highly recommend. That even after you figure it out, I highly recommend you glue them. I highly, strongly recommend you glue. That you glue the pieces. It's actually showing these strapped to his head here. Comes with this thing too, which you could take one of his arms off, apparently this one, and attach this thing right here instead of his arm. And these these can be attached like all kinds of different places. Like you could attach it here, here, on that side. You could literally attach these weapons onto all kinds of different places on his body. And plus, you can attach his old weapons. See, I'm telling you, they don't want to stay on. But yeah. You can put them on this. You can attach them on to spot they were telling you to attach them on to. You can still attach his backpack onto something. You can still attach his side gun onto something. Still put weapons in his hands. And again, like I'm saying, these feet just don't want to. These exo legs, they're not going to stay on unless you glue them. They're just not going to stay on. There's nothing other than that one peg holding most of these things together. Other than that, there's just nothing. There's nothing really holding stuff together. Kind of what I'm getting at. So you're going to have to glue it. If you want them to stay together, you're going to have to use rubber cement glue to just hold everything together. Once you get it how designed how you want to, you're going to have to glue them together. And apparently it looks like this could fit any other figure because, or maybe not the girl figures, but maybe any boy figure. Like it could be interchangeable or whatever. Anyway, remember, guys, good all the time, guys, good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you. Jesus God. Jesus Lord. Jesus King. Jesus ruler of everything. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great, blessed day later.